On Monday, September 13th, we will have an exciting day.
We will be having our Welcome Back Assembly.
It's going to involve some intense competition between the 7th graders and the 6th graders.
Which grade will come away with the ultimate prize, bragging rights for the year?
If you are interested in participating, then you will sign up today in your advisory class.
You can sign up for the one messy event, the non-messy events, or both. If you are selected to participate, you will be notified this Friday.
So bring some Husky pride and get ready to cheer your grade to victory.
The competition will actually be starting this Friday. Wear a red shirt and come check in with the head Huskies in the Commons before school starts.
The grade with the most participation will get a head start in the competition.
Advisory teachers, it is very important that you do this in advisory today. When you are finished with the sign-ups, please have someone bring them to Mrs. Richards' room 46.
We look forward to seeing you in the competition.